everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do a fun video. So we're gonna try to recreate this multi pochette accessories to have the same look as my old medium pochette and beanie pochette. And I have here a strap which I got from Amazon years ago, and I'm gonna link it down below. So this multi-pochette is pre-launched by Louis Vuitton, and I did some reveal and what fits in this. If you're interested, I'm gonna link it down below as well. So this comes with a new version of the pochette accessories and the new version of the mini pochette, and also the new version of this coin purse, which they added a lobster claw clasp. And it comes with this strap in this beautiful canvas which says Louis Vuitton all over, and it also has a beautiful gold hardware. This comes as a set for the price of 1,550 US dollars, and we'll try to do somewhat the same look on what I have. This is it. I have a pochette accessories and the mini pochette and this strap from Amazon, and we will try to put it together. So as you can see, this has the longer tab here on each. So if you do it like this, it will like slant more as it's not balanced. So to balance it, you have to do it at the opposite side. All you need to do is just clip it here and then do it on the other side, and it's done. I don't have a coin purse to attach it, but you can also attach it in here. If you have a key clay, you can also attach a charm in here, or let's say this bag charm to look like this. Let's do a mud shots at the end, and I'm gonna compare this with the multi-pochette accessories so you'll be able to see what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like on. The only problem in this is it is not centered. No matter how you adjust it, it will look like this. So it will look slanted on the pochette accessories, but if you don't mind it, then you can just wear it as it is. I have a Palm Springs mini and a strap from my Pochette Métis reverse, so we will try in here too. It's just so easy to attach it. Like this Palm Springs mini strap, we'll just attach it in here and in here. Same thing on the other side, and it will look like this with the Palm Springs mini. And then we'll try it with the Pochette Métis strap. So it looks like this with the Pochette Métis strap. So it will be looking like this. But since we are trying to recreate the look of the multi-pochette accessories, we're gonna do this Amazon strap so we can hang a bag charm like this. So let's try to measure this and compare it with the multi-pochette accessories. So this one is 6 inches by 3 3/4, while the this one is like 7.5 by 4 1/4. And let's try to measure this old medium. So the old medium is like 8.5 by by 5, and then the new one is 9. It's like 9 and 1/4 by 5.5. So you see the difference of the two styles from the old ones to new ones. And we'll put this on. So this is the look. So what do you guys think? We'll do a proper mug shot right now, and please let me know what you think of this DIY. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like this video if you find it useful, and I would appreciate if you subscribe as well. So I will see you again next time. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much.